In 2023, Stanford University released a groundbreaking study revealing that AI now plays a role in nearly every industry, from healthcare and finance to entertainment and transportation. For example, you visit a doctor, but instead of spending hours waiting for test results, an AI scans your results and delivers a diagnosis within seconds. Or imagine a world where autonomous cars aren't just a futuristic dream, but an everyday reality, transporting millions of people safely to their destinations. So where is AI really heading? Let's explore the future of artificial intelligence and how it's poised to change our world in unimaginable ways. Let's start with healthcare. Experts predict that AI will soon assist in early diagnosis and treatment of diseases, from cancer to neurological disorders. With AI-driven technology, medical professionals are not just able to detect diseases earlier, but also pinpoint treatments tailored to each patient. In fact, a recent AI program developed by Google's DeepMind achieved a breakthrough in protein folding, a problem that scientists had been trying to solve for 50 years. This discovery could lead to faster drug development, potentially saving countless lives. Imagine a future where doctors can predict a patient's risk of disease years in advance, thanks to AI analyzing genetic data, lifestyle habits, and medical history. That's the power AI brings to healthcare. Tesla and Waymo are already testing autonomous cars on US roads, and it's only the beginning. In a few years, you might not need to drive at all. AI-powered cars could handle the entire journey, from navigating traffic to parking, all with fewer accidents than human drivers. And it's not just cars, AI is also transforming public transit. Smart traffic systems are being tested in cities to help reduce congestion by adjusting traffic lights based on real-time conditions. Imagine how much more efficient cities would become with fewer traffic jams and faster commutes. AI is set to make travel not only safer, but also much more convenient. Education is another area primed for an AI revolution. Already, tools like Khan Academy and Duolingo use AI to personalize learning, adapting to the individual pace and needs of students. Soon, AI tutors might be able to understand not just what a student needs to learn, but how they learn best. Imagine a virtual tutor that detects when you're struggling and automatically adjusts the material or even pauses to let you review. This type of AI could make learning more accessible and inclusive for students of all backgrounds, helping to close educational gaps and making quality education available to millions around the world. When we think of creativity, AI isn't always the first thing that comes to mind, but it's actually entering the world of art, music, and even storytelling. Programs like OpenAI's DALL-E and ChatGPT can now create realistic images and write entire articles. AI is helping filmmakers visualize scenes, assisting musicians in composing unique songs, and even designing art pieces. In the near future, we might see a blend of human and AI creativity producing works that push the boundaries of imagination. It's a little unsettling, yet exciting to think of a world where AI could collaborate with artists, musicians, and writers to create masterpieces we've never dreamed of. With AI advancing rapidly, there's a big question. What about jobs? AI will certainly automate many tasks, but it's also expected to create new roles in fields we can barely imagine today. A recent study from the World Economic Forum suggests that AI might eliminate some jobs but create millions of new ones in AI management, ethics, programming, and other tech-based roles. In manufacturing, for example, AI can perform repetitive, dangerous tasks, allowing humans to focus on more complex, creative work. And in office environments, AI assistants can handle mundane tasks, giving employees more time for strategic, innovative projects. So while the nature of work is changing, it's far from disappearing. Instead, we'll likely see a shift in skills that humans bring to the workplace. AI in our daily lives is becoming more common with every passing year. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to smart home devices that control lighting, security, and even groceries, AI is quickly turning our homes into smarter, more efficient spaces. In the future, AI might predict your needs even before you realize them, like turning on your coffee maker as soon as your alarm goes off, or ordering your favorite products when they run low. As AI becomes more intuitive, we'll experience a level of convenience and personalization that feels almost magical. As exciting as AI is, it also raises ethical and privacy questions. With AI collecting and analyzing vast amounts of data, concerns around data security and individual privacy are growing. How much of our lives should AI have access to? And who's responsible if AI makes a wrong decision? These are questions that tech companies, governments, and even everyday people are grappling with. Striking the right balance between innovation and privacy will be crucial as we move forward. As AI continues to evolve, so will the laws, policies, and societal norms that govern its use. The future of AI is thrilling, uncertain, and filled with potential. From revolutionizing healthcare to transforming transportation, education, and creativity, AI is poised to reshape nearly every aspect of our lives. As AI grows more advanced, our world will continue to change in ways we're only beginning to imagine. The real question is, are we ready to embrace the future that AI is creating? Thanks for joining us on this journey into the future of AI. Stay tuned for more explorations into the technology that's changing our world.